All right, girls, we're gonna learn a new dance to Sports Car by Tate McRae. I'm gonna walk you through it with counts, and then you can go do it with music. I'm gonna show you some of the floor work, some of the more difficult moments in the dance, and I'm gonna give you the counts for those. However, if you're a musical person, you wanna learn it just from watching, go ahead. But if you wanna do it with a tutorial, you're in the right place. So we're gonna start with an 8 count of just freestyle and keeping your hips nice and loose. And Tate McRae, she always does some belly dancing stuff, so this is kind of like a tribute to her. When the beat kicks in, you're gonna have your feet together and your hips are gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. On 6, you're gonna step out, 6, 7, and then 8. Slide your hands down your legs as you find your chair. Point your toes. We're gonna bring this right foot in, 1, 2. On 3, the toes snap together, and then on 4, we push the right foot back and the left hand comes behind our head. You wanna get this leg as straight as you can and keep that toe pointed, because you don't want it to look like this, okay? And so this is 3, 4, you drag it back in with your hand, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tap your knee with your fingertips on 1, you look back, make that flick so your hair kind of moves with it. On 2, look forward on 3. This is a quick 4. You just kind of flick it off and go here. And then this is 5, 6, right shoulder, left shoulder is 7, and right shoulder is 8. You drop down on 1. You're gonna push off your knees and bring the knees in, drag the toes on 2, 3, 4. Take your right hand around your head, left hand to your waist. 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Your left hand's gonna come to the chair. You're gonna use your hip to lift. 1, 2, booty in the air. Gaze switches sides. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this is 7, 8. You take your right hand up above your booty, okay? So whenever you're down here, you want this to be on, she says, we can share one seat, we can share one seat, okay? So then you're gonna swipe up right here, and then you walk. Left foot, right foot comes to the back. You have 2 counts to swivel your hips there. Left foot again, right foot comes on the chair. You roll, it says roll the windows down, and you're gonna drop here. The head whips around, right away the left hand comes up, the head goes back, and then it clicks forward, and your left hand is gonna come right up on that left butt cheek. You're gonna lift your left foot, twirl it around, and set it down. Left hand's gonna come to the chair for support, right hand is on the back of the chair, and then you're gonna drop down into the fullest version of your split that you can. Snap the knees together, and then you're gonna go right hand, left hand, and then you're ready for the chorus, okay? So on the chorus, this is the hardest part of the choreography. You wanna be away from your chair enough to where when you snake down on the floor and you twirl around to get back to it, you're not gonna knock into it. So we've been working on this, and you kind of have to maneuver yourself and have some spatial awareness here. So it's not always gonna end up perfect, but you know, you do your best with it so you don't hit your head on your chair at least. All right, so then we're gonna snake down. So this is 1, 2, 3, you're gonna end here, you kind of push off, 3, now on and 4, you go and 4. This is, well, this is the words, this is. I think you know what this is. So your legs are like this, you're gonna pull your feet together. This is 5, toes come together, knees open. 6, you kind of push yourself and turn. See, I'm pretty close to my chair here. I'm gonna just scoot it around, flip my hair as my knees come in, and then my arms go up on 8. So again with the counts from the chorus, 5, 6, 7, 8, snake 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's pretty fast, but once you get some momentum, you'll get it. 7, 8. Then you're gonna start, just knees go out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left hand goes down, 6, a little V pump there, 6, 7, 8. The feet are gonna come around as the hand goes up. Well, that's 7, so you end up here, and then on 8, you flick your toe and lift your butt just a little bit, okay? That's on car. You ain't got no misses, but you've got a sports car. okay? So you're here, you're gonna bring your knees together, lift around, 3 hair whips. We can in it while you drive it real far. You take it back here. You bring your right hand around, knees snap together, then they snap out. You place your hands on the floor. This is 7, and then this is 8. And you are ready to start at the top again, okay? So this time we skip the traveling around the chair, and I'm gonna show you how that transition works. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. This time she says butterflies. You're gonna flap your wings. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2. You walk 3, 4. Sit 5, 6. Up 7, 8. Booty 1, 2. Swirl 3, 4. Drop 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're ready for that chorus again. We walk. Boom, boom. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on this, you're gonna come forward and you're gonna crawl 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're gonna repeat that chorus because it goes 2 times. So instead of lifting up and sitting back on your chair, you just crawl forward, boom. Now, you do the chorus again, and the next time you're here, swoop, you're gonna lift up on your feet for 7, 8, 7, 8, and then we're ready for the bridge. So you're gonna take your hands like you're driving a sports car, and you're gonna lift, kind of lift, move your hips, get a little loosey-goosey in the hips. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you're not driving Miss Daisy, okay? You're driving a sports car. So try not to be here. We are down and fluid, and just make it as big as you can. Even if it feels like you're kind of crazy, like going way bigger. Bigger is better. You know what I'm saying? Not always. Okay, so we go single, single, double, single, single, double. And then your weight's gonna be in that left leg. You're gonna sweep this right foot across, lift it up, kind of like a throw it back. I don't know, that's how they do on TikTok, but I'm not very good at it. So do your best. I'm sure you can do better than me at that. Flip it up, throw it back, then reach it forward and roll 2 times, starting with the toe. 2, 2. Eyes are still facing this way. Then you're gonna take your right foot, the foot that's in front, take it back to the left, and the left foot shuffles, and then you turn fast. That looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. And then you're gonna pop your butt 3 times for 7 and 8. 7 and 8. You just pop it back. 7 and 8. Lift up on your heels. Repeat the whole thing so you're facing the back. You're gonna start to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're gonna take your right hand and drop down and swoop the booty. Remember how in the second verse we skipped going around the chair? Here it is, it comes back. So you scoop the booty and then you walk left, big step, so that you could turn behind your chair on right. 2 hip swivels, walk left, foot on the chair on right, slide on down right away. You do that head whip, take your hand up your chest, take it back and forward. Booty scoop left, twirl around, split, knees together, and you walk and you crawl, and that is the end. You get to choose how you finish it. You can choose, you can finish it here, you can finish it here, lick the floor, you can do whatever you want. You can just, come on, baby, let's go. You get to choose. So that is where you put your little spice into your spicy seasoning. Yeah, so if you want to do it with the music, you find the video that has the music with it. If you need the tutorial, you can always come back here. So just remember, get in that sports car and in it, baby, let's go.